Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean file and the transcription tool. First, make sure your audio is high quality. Noisy tracks reduce accuracy, so trim silence and isolate the vocal sections. Once done, pick your ASR engine. Cloud services give speed and accuracy. Local models offer control and privacy. You should convert the file to WAV or FLAC if needed, since many tools prefer uncompressed audio. Finally, set sample rate to 16 kHz or 44. 1 kHz depending on your model to avoid resampling errors. You now run the transcription and tune parameters for best results. Start by chunking the song into 30 to 60 second windows with a small overlap so transient words aren't lost. This also prevents memory issues. Next, enable timestamps and set the language and beam size or confidence threshold. Higher beam improves quality, but costs time. If music drowns vocals, use a vocal separator before ASR to boost voice clarity. Make sure to save intermediate logs so you can adjust settings and rerun only problem segments. You finish by carefully editing and exporting the text. First, proofread for misheard words and add punctuation. ASR often misses contractions and artistic pronunciation, so correct those to preserve meaning. Once edited, align timestamps and export to the format you need: SRT for subtitles, LRC for synced lyrics, or plain TXT for reference. If accuracy is low, try one key troubleshooting step. Run a noise reduction pass or use a different model with noise robustness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.